Hey guys, quick video for you to free alternatives to Navigraph that you can actually get. So the first one is very popular one. It's a little nav map. It's a free and open source flight planner that you can actually use. Is that yes, you have like extremely comprehensive, works with all major flight simulators, no subscription required, active development community, detailed user manuals. But you have steeper learning curve, no Jeppesen style charts included, nav data is outdated like 2018 without the Navigraph update, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's like a learning curve for it. Now for another one is called also ChartFox. This is another one that you can check out. So it's a free online database aggregating publicly available aviation charts from the government sources worldwide. So 100% free, no subscription or software installation, uses official government charts, good coverage for US and Europe, recommended by VATSIM. Now, no moving map functionality, charts aren't standardized, coverage varies by region, no integrated flight planning. So that's for the ChartFox. Also, SimBrief, this is like another one that I want to share with you. So with the SimBrief, completely free, professional quality dispatch documents, supports most popular add-on aircraft, excellent integration with simulators and other tools, real-world routing options. Now it got outdated nav data, era 2013, no charts, no moving map, and requires Navigraph account. So that's for that. And also SkyVector, that's another one that you can check out for yourself. So with the SkyVector, as you can see, it looks like complex. So it's free. It's great for the US coverage, official FFA charts, real-time weather integration, no software installation required, great for FFR planning and training. But the cons is US focused, no moving map for simulators, not designed especially for flight simulation, no simulator integration, and charts update every 56 days. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope this video provided value. And have a great day and goodbye.